Hello, today we will be reviewing some subtraction strategies. We are going to be looking at 4 strategies today. We will be looking at pictorial models, break apart by place value, also known as split method, open number line, and standard algorithm. Let's first take a look at pictorial models. I have the number sentence 750 minus 347. I'm going to use base 10 blocks to represent my first number of 750. Here, that is made up of 700s, or 700, plus 5 tens, or 50. I'm going to rewrite my horizontal equation into a vertical equation, lining up my ones, tens, and hundreds place. Let's first take a look at our ones. I have 0 minus 7. I don't have any ones to take 7 from. So I'm going to need to break a stick of 10 apart, replacing that with 10 ones. So here I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700. I have 710, 720, 730, 740, 741, 742, 743, 744, 745, 746, 747, 748, 749, 750. I still have the same amount, it just looks a little different. Now I can look at making sure to regroup that stick of 10. I'm going to now mark out my 5 and change that to a 4 because now I have 4 sticks of 10. I also have to change my 1, my 0, to a 10 because now I have 10 ones. Now we can subtract 7 from 10. Now we have 3 ones left. Let's take a look at our tens place. We have 4 minus 4. I can subtract 4 minus 4, leaving me with 0. Now let's look at our hundreds. I have 7 minus 3. I can take away 300 from my 7, leaving me with 400. So my answer to 750 minus 347 equals 403. Let's take a look at break apart using place value, or also known as split method. I'm going to expand my number of 750 into expanded form. I have 700 plus 50 plus 0. I now have to also expand my second number of 347 into 300 plus 40 plus 7. I'm going to rewrite my equation, making sure to keep my ones, tens, and hundreds placed in line, but also adding in my subtraction sign. First, let's take a look at our ones. Once again, I see 0 minus 7. I know that I cannot take 7 away from 0, so I'm going to have to regroup and borrow a stick of 10 from my tens place, leaving me with 40 tens. I'm going to take that stick of 10 and put it into my ones place, now leaving me with 10 ones instead of 0. I can now subtract 7 from 10. 10 minus 7 gives me 3. I can subtract 40 from 40, giving me 0. And I can also subtract 300 from 700, giving me 400. I'm going to take this horizontal equation and rewrite it into a vertical equation so I can put my number back together. I'm going to take 400 plus 3. I don't need to add in my 10 since I have 0, to give me the answer of 403. Even though I did the equation a different way, I still got the same answer. Let's practice on an open number line. If I have 750 minus 347, I have to first look at to where to place my numbers. If your numbers are going this way, they're getting larger. If your numbers are going this way, they are getting smaller. I'm going to place 750 on the right side of my number line because I know that I'm subtracting, so my numbers should be getting smaller. I'm going to take a look at 347 and break that apart into expanded form of 300 plus 40 plus 7 to help me jump on my number line. First, I can make a jump of 300 and say 750 minus 300 gives me 450, but I might get lost, so I'm going to do small jumps of 100 instead. So I'm going to do 750 minus 100 gives me 650. 650 minus 100 gives me 550. 550 minus 100 gives me 450. I now know that I have used all of my hundreds to subtract. I'm going to go ahead and cross those out. I now have 40 plus 7 left to subtract from my number line. I'm going to subtract 40 from 450, leaving me with 410. I'm going to go ahead and cross out my 10 because I know that I no longer need to subtract that. Now I only have 7 left to subtract. I can break apart 7 into 5 plus 2 to get friendlier numbers to hop back. If I subtract 5 from 410, that leaves me with 405. Now, leaving me with only 2 jumps left. If I subtract 2 from 405, that leaves me with 403. Let's double check and make sure that we used all of our numbers to subtract. I have 100, 200, 300, 340, 345, 347. Yes, I did subtract 347 from 750. Today we did review 4 subtraction strategies. We reviewed pictorial models, break apart by value, also known as split method, open number lines, and standard algorithm. Make sure to choose the best strategy for you.